Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yray, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 skincare products that I feel you should be incorporating into your skincare routine if you want healthy, glowy skin. Now, the 4 products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are from Paula's Choice, and if you don't know, Paula's Choice just recently launched in stores across the US in Sephora, which is super exciting. Hopefully Canada will be next on the list, but you can still shop Paula's Choice products directly from their website, which is what I do. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 skincare products that I feel you should be incorporating into your skincare routine if you want healthy, glowy skin. And if that's something that you're interested in, then keep on watching and I will see you guys in my next video. So Paula's Choice was kind enough to gift me some of their skincare products, and I thought I would share them with you, then move on to the products that I feel you should be incorporating into your skincare routine. Now, this is in celebration of the launch in Sephora, and I got some of my favorite products that are currently on here and some that I'm going to be sharing in this video. This package came with the 25% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliating peel, the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, their C15 Super Booster, their vitamin C serum, and their niacinamide, which is a 20% niacinamide treatment. I also got the retinol treatment, which is the 1% retinol treatment, as well as their Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, which is their sunscreen. So these are some of the products that I received in celebration of the launch in Sephora. So the first product that I feel that everybody should have if you're looking for healthy, glowy skin is their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Now, this is their salicylic acid, and it has the highest concentration of salicylic acid that you can actually purchase off the counter. One of the reasons why I absolutely love this product is that it really helps to even out your skin tone. It helps to unclog your pores. So if you're someone that has, blackheads and suffer from acne, one of the things that salicylic acid does is that it actually goes down to break the dead skin cells that you have on your skin. And what that also does is that as it breaks down those dead skin cells, it allows for newer skin to generate, newer, youthful skin, healthier skin to actually start to generate. But at the same time, as it's breaking down those dead skin cells, what it's doing is that it's loosening up the dirt that's been trapped in your pores, so it helps to also exfoliate and unclog your pores. Now, this is a very, very gentle leave-on exfoliant, and it's so gentle that you can actually use it in the morning and in the night. Now, one of the concerns that people have when using salicylic acid is what you can mix salicylic acid with. Now, from the research that I've done, it is okay to incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine when using salicylic acid. And if you're also using vitamin C, it's okay to use your salicylic acid with that. And salicylic acid plays well with hyaluronic acid, which, if you know, that's one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to skincare. If you're using this during the day, it's really important that you go in with sunscreen, preferably an SPF 30 and higher. Now, the next product that you need if you want healthy, glowy skin is their 25% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliating peel. Now, one of the reasons why I love this product is just because of all of the ingredients that is contained in this one tiny tube. Now, the AHA really focuses on exfoliating your skin, getting rid of wrinkles, or improving your skin texture in terms of wrinkles, while the BHA goes deeper into your skin and helps to unclog your pores, helps to generate new skin cells. Now, one of the amazing things about this product is that it actually contains lactic, mandelic, malic, and tartic acid, so you know that it's going to go into your pores and really give you that overall glow and also help with smoothing out your texture of your skin. Now, the way to go about using this product is to use it once a week and for only 10 minutes. So when you apply it for 10 minutes, rinse off, and then go in with your other skincare routine. But when using this particular product, it's advisable not to go in with the exfoliant that I just shared with you guys earlier on, so that you don't irritate your skin barrier and then you're having to repair that. So once a week is what is advised by Paula's Choice, and that is how you should be using it. And if you're using it during the day, it is advisable that you also wear sunscreen, just to make sure that you're protecting your skin. Now, if you need healthy, glowy skin, the next product that you need in your skincare routine is their niacinamide 20% 15% treatment. Now in the past, I've seen other niacinamide treatments that were like 12% and even lower, but personally, this is the highest percentage that I have seen. Now, one of the benefits of incorporating niacinamide into your skincare routine is that first, it really helps to balance out your pores. So you have saggy pores as you age, so you really want to restore that balance to your pores. But another thing that it actually does is that it really helps with dull skin. So if your skin is dull and you want to brighten up your skin, you want to even out your skin tone, and you also want to diminish fine lines and wrinkles, then niacinamide is something that you should definitely have in your skincare routine. Now, one of the things that I love about niacinamide is how well it plays with other acids. So if you have AHAs, you have BHAs, salicylic acid, and the rest, this works really well with those. It also goes really well with vitamin C. There's like a misconception that if you're using niacinamide in your skincare routine, then you can't use vitamin C. No, they actually work together to actually give you better, brighter skin. So don't be afraid to actually use niacinamide with your vitamin C serum. So the last product that you should be adding into your skincare routine for healthy, glowy skin is vitamin C. And this is their C15 Super Booster that contains 15% of pure vitamin C. Now, one of the benefits of adding vitamin C into your skincare routine is that it really helps with uneven skin tone and also helps with dull complexion. One of the reasons why this is also great is that it has ferulic acid, which helps fight the signs of aging, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, which helps retain moisture and gives you that youthful, supple skin that we all want. Now, one of the reasons why vitamin C is so amazing is that it plays well with all of these products that I've mentioned earlier on. So it plays well with niacinamide, retinols, AHA, BHA, name it. This goes really, really well in your skincare routine. So these are the products that I thought I would share with you guys. So if you're looking for healthy, glowy skin, then these are some products that you should consider incorporating into your skincare routine. And lest we forget, Paula's Choice launched in Sephora in the US, so you guys should definitely be putting stuff in the cart so you guys can get your skin glowy, healthy, supple, youthful, and fight off all the aging. I will leave links for you guys if you guys are interested in some of these products that I mentioned in my video. They will be affiliate links, so when you shop those links, through those links, I do earn a commission, but it doesn't affect what you pay at the end of the day. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.